So today's video is sort of an ethnic fusion get ready with me. Hi guys, it's Magali. This month we actually have a lot of festive days. Raksha Bandhan, there's Independence Day. So I thought it would be a good time to do my own spin on ethnic. It's a little bit minimal, sort of sporty. I kept it really simple as I always do with some fun details. This is like a monotone deep blue look. Think indigo, cobalt, navy blue. It is present on our national flag as well, the Ashoka Chakra. So the Amazon India Freedom Sale actually starts tonight and I have partnered with them to create this video. Pretty much everything that I'm wearing is from Amazon. Everything is going to be listed and linked in the description bar below this video, as well as my Amazon storefront, which is one link that you click and you'll see everything in one place. Everything featured is pretty affordable as well. So you're gonna see makeup, how I style my hair, accessories, as well as my outfit. Let's get started. So this is what I have to work with today. I'm gonna start by prepping. I'm using this SPF Juice sunscreen from Face Skin. If you have dry skin, you should probably use a moisturizer. My skin is kind of oily. This sunscreen has a light hydrating effect. Now let's do hair. Ever since I cut it short, I've been wearing it in my natural waves and it's just become really easy to deal with. I don't use any heat. It's very low effort, but I love the way that it looks. I actually washed my hair last night. To style it, I'm just gonna find my parting. I never comb my hair when it's dry. That's almost done really, but I'm just gonna finish things off by setting it a little bit with this TRESemmé Micro Mist hairspray. The best hairspray I've ever used. Does not feel crunchy on the hair and gives a very light hold. So this is just going to prevent those negative effects of humidity. Another thing I really love about this is there's not so much gas when you spray it. That's why it's called a compressed micro mist. And if your hair is also affected by humidity, you need this in your life. For my nails, I've used this new Solimo nail polish in the shade Indigo Blue. I just bought a couple of shades of this nail polish and I'm really impressed with this particular shade. It gave me such a beautiful coverage, totally opaque in just one coat, but if you go in with a second coat, of course it's going to look even more vibrant. I rarely use dark colors for my nails, but I can't stop looking at them. For my base, I'm using one of my favorite foundations from _Lakmé. This is the Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. My shade is called Neutral Almond. I really love the variety of shades in this range. Real Techniques brush is really great for foundation application. Love the shape of it. These slightly sharper edges really help it get into narrow areas that fluffy brushes cannot get into so easily. I almost never use concealer, but today we're going to go in with a little bit of the Maybelline Age Rewind one. This concealer is quite light compared to my skin tone, but I'm going to use it to try the concealer lifting technique. I like it a lot. I also want to set things in place, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my favorite Innisfree No Sebum mineral powder. For my brows, I'm gonna use the Sugar Pop brow shaper that you will probably remember from my Sugar Pop review video. This has a really lovely fine tip that helps you create like natural looking brows. It's still an enhancement over my actual natural brow. Now it's time to do the eyes, which are going to be very simple but with some pops of blue, and I'm using 3 different products from Lakmé for it. First, I'm going to go in with the blue Lakmé Insta Liner and create a thick bold wing. This liner is so affordable and I'm still testing it. It does have a very liquid consistency, runnier than I expected, and I think it'll take a little time to dry. But I love this effect. Now let me try and replicate it on the other eye. I'm going in with the Lakme Iconic Black Liner, and the intention is just to add a very thin line of black closest to the lash line, which will make the blue pop even more. We're gonna finish off this eye look with the iconic curling mascara, also in blue. Really happy with how the eyes turned out. I think it's like really striking and the focal point of the whole look really. Now we're just gonna finish this off with cheeks and lips. I'm going in with my old favorite Lakme Sun-Kissed bronzer. Just ended up using a lot of Lakme in this look. I like this because it has like a bronzing and highlighting effect, no chunky glitter. It's just gonna add some light to the cheeks. I want slightly more neutral lips, so I'm using the Kiro Super Butter Lip Color in the shade Melted Caramel. We're done with today's makeup, and now it's time to move on to clothing and accessories. A minimal ethnic outfit from Biba, but it's not like completely traditional. I like the very simple and clean look of it. It's a 3-piece. It has a kurta, pants, as well as a jacket. We've yet to accessorize. So I'm gonna add dainty silver earrings to the mix. I purchased a bunch from this brand called Nora & Nico, also on Amazon. Let me know if you guys want a separate video on just the earrings. First, I'm using these little ball studs for my second piercing. My main earrings are gonna be these really gorgeous threader or sui daga kind of earrings with little dangly stars. This is one of my prized possessions. It's an HMT Kohinoor watch. It makes me feel a little extra patriotic when I'm wearing it. It actually has like numerals in Devanagari lettering, which I think is really special, and it complements today's outfit perfectly. All I'm going to add to this look are a purse and sneakers. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.